Hey, this is Mr. PC again. We have a MacBook Pro, I think 13-inch. I think it's a 2009. This one is in for an entire makeover. So basically it was overheating. So basically it wouldn't come on, it would turn on, and you would get the beeps, and there was nothing on the screen. It also, the hard drive was dying. So we did our motherboard treatment for the motherboard. We swapped out the main hard drive with an SSD. We put a replacement drive for the CD-ROM drive. We took out the old CD drive here, and we put it in a CD caddy that allows us to put a hard drive in it. So the customer wanted a 1 terabyte hard drive. So basically we have the Samsung SSD inside, 1 terabyte hard drive, and we also treated the motherboard, which had been overheating. Usually a lot of people use their computer for 3-4 years and not realize that it's actually overheating until one day it just finally stops, and you get where the Mac tries to come up and it just beeps and beeps and beeps. Okay, so let's turn this on and see what the final result is. Okay, so it's going to come on. We see the logo. I have this here just so I don't show the customer's user ID that they would, just for privacy reasons. As you can see, okay, that was about maybe 5 seconds or so. I'm going to log in. Okay, see, it's a rocket. So literally, it went from being a machine that might have taken upwards of 1.5 minutes to boot. Now, pretty much, you see everything just runs pretty much instantaneously. Apps just run. You click a button, and it automatically just comes up. I click a folder, anything like that. Things automatically open. No fuss, no muss. There's no waiting for anything. And then, if I do that, if I go ahead and try to shut it all down, that part is greatly sped up too. Give it a second, as long as I don't have any updates to install. And there you go. Your machine is off. So, this was a machine literally brought back from the brink of a death. It was pretty much the owner was going to decide to either throw it away or buy a new one. This whole repair was done at far substantially less, to anywhere close to buying a replacement to this machine. And even if you bought the new machine, it would still perform to about this same spec here. Okay, anyway, that's Mr. PC. 803-218-9163, www.callmrpc.com.